Go Carpet Cleaning in Chamblee, Georgia. We are a carpet cleaning business that cares about your health as much as we care about clean carpets. Contact us today for a free quote. For carpet cleaning in Chamblee, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Go Carpet Cleaning is among the leading carpet cleaning companies in office and residential carpets, area rugs, and upholstery services that provide services in Chamblee, Georgia. Focusing on natural products to fight any stain, even difficult ones. When using our environmentally friendly products, leave your house smelling fresh, with a no chemical odor or residue left behind for you and family pets. Today there are many happy clients across all neighborhoods who rely heavily upon our trained specialists, due to the fact that absolutely nothing gets easier than having a professional clean. Our services. Carpet cleaning. Our conventional carpet cleaning uses cleaning instruments that efficiently get spots and blemishes out. Cleaning high traffic areas of your carpet, repeatedly walking over the exact same area of carpet in a room, will ultimately leave dirt that gets pushed down into the carpet. We're able to efficiently clean even the most stubborn dirt and grime. Upholstery cleaning services. We also supply a wide variety of upholstery cleaning services for your office or home. We'll clean stains and blemishes that other cleaners can't, with our powerful detergents, safe solvents, and environment-friendly products. Air duct cleaning. Our specialists are highly trained and qualified in all things relating to HVAC systems, including particular understanding of how best to clean out your system, without damaging it, or disrupting its natural flow. Rug cleaning. Do you have an oriental rug that requires some TLC? Go Carpet Cleaning can look after dirt and grime in your area rugs. Just give us a call and let us know that you're interested in stain removal for your oriental rugs. Pet odors and stains. We utilize a black light to see any pet stains, even those that might not be visible to the naked eye, and after that we utilize our devices to carefully agitate the carpet fibers. Commercial services. We've supplied our commercial carpet cleaning in Chamblee and the surrounding locations, including companies such as Gucci. Go Carpet Cleaning can meet you at your location. Call us for a totally free consultation and to discuss our budget-friendly rates on carpet cleaning in Chamblee or the surrounding locations. Visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.